Hey guys, I'm back with a human hair review that I'm super excited about because I just reviewed this exact same wig but in a different hair texture, so I know that this one is going to be bomb as well. And that's for my good friends over there at Beauty Forever. If you are new here, please consider subscribing as I upload almost daily. If you're oldie but goodie, welcome back. Okay, so I'm not sure the order I'm uploading these, but I just filmed a Beauty Forever pre-everything wig. It was a 13x4. It was a body wave that came already curled, already bleached, already cut. Everything was truly pre-done, so they can say a pre-everything wig and really stand on it. That wig was bomb. Like it came with these pre-everything tabs. I put the tabs here and here, and you can see where, I mean, it was just not moving. So when I remembered that I had also ordered that same wig, I'm pretty sure, but I got it in a water wave. But looking at the description box, I put all the details because y'all know me. All right, so the wig came in the shipping packaging, of course, but I took it out of the shipping packaging. That's all I've done because I like to do everything on camera with y'all. The wigs came with these cute little iridescent bags that I'm telling you can use for anything besides a wig. I mean, I use one to hold my socks. It's one in the laundry room hanging up for missing sock pairs. So, I mean, I think that these little storage bags are so cute with their branding on it. Not only does the wig come with that, it also came with a silk storage sack as well. And inside of this silk storage sack, we have 2 packs of HD stocking caps, an edge band with their branding on it, and some press-on nails. Okay, let me put all this back in this storage sack and pull this wig out this plastic so we can go over the details. All right, so this wig is a 13x4 pre-everything wig. It is 22 inches long and it is a water wave. The last one I did was a 22-inch long wig, but it was a body wave and it was gorgeous. The other thing that to know, I can tell that this wig is going to be it. I'm in love. Those are those pre-everything tabs that I'll be sure to show you, and they have an elastic band, a glueless band in here as well. Y'all, it's so pretty. Look at those curls. Y'all know I love a water wave because I cannot comb hair. That's why I only have like 3 pieces of hair, because I cannot comb it. So a curly unit like this, all I gotta do is put water, some leave-in conditioner, maybe some mousse, and it's gonna hit. Let me take out of its shipping packaging. Look at this big Kool-Aid grin on my face. Okay, let's look at this cap construction. So you get that 13x4 parting space. You have those 2 pre-everything tabs already attached, but like I said, they send you off with so many in there for you to apply as needed. You have adjustable straps in the back as well as a comb. There's also that band of adhesion going around the wig. Y'all look at this up close. Right out of the pack. Just beautiful, okay? What I want to do, before I take off these tabs or anything, I'm gonna put this wig on my head with the glueless band in it so you can see. And then I'll take off the tabs and all that stuff. Put some water in it. If you see me use this is water and leave-in conditioner, and I'll come back with my final thoughts. Be right back, you guys. Can we get it together?
I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body. so amazed. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but can we get it together? I've been all in my phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says, my mind, and my heart. My body says, I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby.
All right, y'all, I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig, and if you can't tell, I'm just as excited and in love with this wig as I was the body wig, as I was about, am I saying that right? As I was about the, I love this wig just as much as the last one, okay? The body wave one was very gorgeous, and everything was pre-done, and Beauty Forever did not disappoint with this water wave. Exactly just like that other one, just a different texture. This is a must-have unit, okay? The ease of this, the affordability of this, like this is the quality. This is just a very nice wig, and I definitely can recommend that you pick this one up. If body wave in for you, if water wave in for you, y'all, they have Jerry Curly, they have Yaki Straight. Like, there's so many different curl textures or textures that they have this exact same wig in, so I encourage you to go and check them out. If you look in the description box, I'm gonna put a direct link to where you can go and check this cute wig out. A direct link to that one, but I encourage you to look around on their site, y'all. Because this is a definite win. It's a definite win. Until next time, which will be very soon. Bye, guys.
Can we get it together?